I want to cut all those and take them and put them here. Remove those. Take that off. This wiring, I would like to fix the wiring. I would like it to be official. Remove these here. That needs to be changed. Take this and move it up or cut that right there. This right here, I want it to look nice. Cut these. This here needs to come down. Cut that out. Put those in, install those. Fix this. Take that right there, cut it. Repair that, all the drywall. Fix those correctly, make it nice. Drywall this whole room. This here needs to be fastened up here onto the wall. Fix this into there. Well, I'll get a tool for that. I want to make sure that these are nice. This needs to be 2 inches down here, not 1 inch. It needs to be better. And fix this so it's not so wobbly. Take this out. What is this? Take this, cut this. It's unofficial. I don't want sloppy wiring like this. I want nice wiring. So any sort of wiring like this, it needs to be wired to the water heater. This here, it needs to have a thing on the inside there. And the same with this one here, it's missing it. Drywall over top of this, make it look nice. Remove these. This room I want to wait. I want to wait on this room until I can maybe get permits. I'm thinking to get permits to build this into a nice wall, a nice bedroom. That will come a little later. Drywall, I want to replace this piece here, so you'll need to fix that. Yes, I want this on the other side, so I have electricity in the bathroom there. We're going to have the dishwasher here, so I need to have electric run right here. So maybe we can take this electric and put it here for the dishwasher. I need to install a valve for the dishwasher to come over here. Repair the drywall, make it look official. Move this over here because this will need electricity for the microwave on that side. We need to add an extension to this wall, 6 inches out. Repair the drywall. Cut this, repair it. Repair the drywall. Only one outlet should be here. Take these out, take this, and install one outlet. Only one, not 2, just one. Take this, clean this out. I want to put a cap on the gas. So we need to get a cap. Drywall this, remove this. Make sure that make sure the wire is safe. Cut this out, up, and take it up. I want it to go up, and then the roofer can repair it from there. But from here, I want to remove. Replace outlets, replace sockets. All these sockets needs to be replaced. I want to sand the doors and to paint the doors. That, I do not want it, so cover. Here, I want an outlet, so there should be an outlet here. You can take this outlet, that's okay. Drywall repair. Put the toilet here. I need floors in place. Repair this. I want these to look nice. I want them to look new, so when it comes in here, it looks professional and nice. I don't know what this is. Cut this out. Cut this so it's nice across the edge. Cut this, remove it, This here needs to be held up in place. This, if you can cut all this out, this, I want to cut it. Repair that. Take this off. Take this off. Patch these holes. Remove. Repair this. Patch this. Here, I would like to have a better opening here. I need to repair the pipe. And I would like to paint and remove all the trash from inside the shed. Remove this. Make sure there's no dirt against the wall.